Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt sweet. Let's start with natural options. Ripe fruits, such as a half cup of sliced strawberries or a whole mashed banana, offer wonderful sweetness and nutrients. You can also drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup for a rich, warm flavor. For a more intense fruit flavor, try stirring in a few spoonfuls of your favorite fruit puree or jam. These methods provide delicious sweetness without refined sugars. If you're looking to reduce calories, artificial sweeteners can be a good option. A small pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of stevia or erythritol, can provide significant sweetness. Remember, a little goes a long way. To boost the overall flavor profile, add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a few drops of almond extract. For convenience, sugar-free syrups like those used in coffee can also be stirred in for a quick and consistent sweet taste. Sweetening yogurt isn't just about sugar, it's also about enhancing the texture. For a richer, creamier consistency and a hint of nutty flavor, stir in 1 tablespoon of your favorite nut butter. If you prefer a delightful crunch, add about a 1/4 cup of granola or chopped nuts, which often come with their own sweetness. For a smoother, more uniform sweetness and texture, blend in 2 to 3 spoonfuls of fruit preserves or a fruit compote. To achieve the perfect balance, always taste your yogurt as you go and adjust the sweetness gradually. It's easier to add more than to take away. For the best flavor integration, chill your sweetened yogurt for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of fruits, extracts, and sweeteners to discover your absolute favorite sweet yogurt creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.